Gene Goldman, and here's a look at the week ahead. For 3 reasons, this will be one of the most important weeks for market direction. First of all, on Thursday begins the unofficial kickoff to second quarter earnings season, with the big banks releasing. Overall, for the quarter, FactSet expects earnings to rise 4.1% year over year. Despite the Fed raising rates, concerns about a recession really overhanging the market has been, our earnings estimates been revised down enough? So we'll be watching management comments around commodity prices, wages, stronger dollar, tighter financial conditions, all on second half expectations. Second of all, we get a ton of Fed speak. The Fed's next meeting is July 26th and 27th. So this Saturday begins the Fed's blackout period where they can't talk about what they're thinking. So before this blackout period begins, love to hear their thoughts on the next rate hike and overall reaction to economic data that we see this week. And third of all, speaking of economic data, that's our third point. Economic data this week, we should get more clarity on both inflation and this potential recession story. Though the data will be old, because we're getting a lot of June readings, it does provide some good directional insights. The biggest data we'll watch this week is June CPI and PPI. Headline numbers should be a little bit higher than May, given the surge in energy prices that we saw in June, but more importantly, core inflation should slow from May. Tighter financial conditions, improving supply chains really are starting to impact goods inflation, and then slowing wage growth is really starting to impact services inflation. Well, thank you for listening today. For more information, please follow us on Twitter at @CeteraIM. Thank you, and see you next week.